Hey, what's up, YouTube? I got a 2012 Mercedes E350, and we're doing a water pump. And this is what it looks like right here. Should come with a gasket, like so. There's another one right here. You probably need that too. This is actually the water pump right down here. I'm gonna do a two-part video right here. So first I'm just gonna take off the air box and everything, throttle, show you how to get to it. So you got these E10s, E10, it's like an inverted Torx bit. You got two of them. There's one right here. There's one right here. Take those out. You got your plug right here. Just unplug that. You're gonna have to take these off. I used a pair of dikes just to open them up. Pull that off, and you can pull this off right here. I'll pull this off first, and just raise it up like that, out of the way. This right here, you have let me just show you what I did. You got there's four bolts right here. They're also what are they? T20s. T20. It's look like this right here. So you got four of those, and that's what holds this whole thing on right here. Pull this out right here, and then you'll be able to pull this out. You can have a gasket that goes right there. You also have to unplug your electrical connector right there. Alright, now you can see your water pump, which is right here. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna I think there's a 19 millimeter down here. Right here, let me see if I can get you. Yeah, right there. See that right there? I believe that's a 19 millimeter, and that's your tension. So you're gonna turn that. It's gonna allow you to take off the belt. When you take off the belt, you want to take off this pulley right here. When you take off this pulley, then you can access all the bolts on your water pump. Also, this right here, you have to pull that. Just pull it forward, and you can take off your little radiator hose, and all the coolant's gonna come out. And then we can just start removing the bolts from the water pump, and you can see there's a lot of them. Also, I believe this is where your thermostat goes right here. You want to take that off first. I'll show you right after on the next video once I get this belt off.